Let's learn more about ARNO Fast Change, or AFC for short. The AFC system is a revolutionary OEM replacement for the gang plate on your specific machine. I'm going to show you how AFC provides true through coolant capability as it increases spindle uptime, which equals more money per shift for you. So, what makes this system so awesome? First, we route the coolant through the gang plate to the tools like a manifold, which means there are no high pressure lines in your machining environment. The coolant is then picked up by the UN style slot in the fixed stop and runs through the pipette to the front end, where it is now supplied directly to the cutting edge. This provides increased tool life and enhances chip control. Simply supply coolant to one port which supports all the tooling positions, or supply 2 ports and divide the tooling positions with the needle valve. And we stock plumbing kits for most applications, so plumb once and done. Now let's talk about the split shank tooling. You only need to loosen these 2 clamps to remove the spent cutting head. Then you simply replace it with a fresh one from the bench. And remember, all of the AFC tooling is designed to repeat to plus or minus 1/1000ths, so you're not wasting valuable time requalifying tools. Again, it's all about keeping your spindles running so you can produce a maximum amount of parts per shift. We realize that you'll have to convert your current tools to our system, but you won't have to compromise because within our ARNO AFC system, we have tool holders to accommodate ISO-positive turning inserts for the C, D, and V styles that come in all the popular approach angles. We have the standard 16 ER lay-down threading tool. We have Swiss-style precision grooving tools. We have ARNO's world-class SA and SE parting and grooving. We have ARNO's new 3-edged HTE grooving system, and we stock Z-axis extension adapters for use with extended nose guide bushings. This was just a brief features and benefits overview of the ARNO Fast Change System. The low-profile clamps, the internal coolant capability, and split shank quick change tooling are just a few of the many features engineered to increase spindle uptime and optimize tool life and chip control. As an added benefit, you will eliminate the clutter of high-pressure lines, which allows your operators to more safely access the machining environment for all their routine maintenance needs. So check through our website, or if you found us on YouTube, please visit us at arnousa.com to find a fast change solution for your machine.